What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. It's the third day of spring, and it's 18 degrees outside, and it's looking nice, blue skies. And you know what that calls for? Another adventure. Oh my god, this phone's gonna break soon. I was thinking of flying the drone today, catch a nice sunset. I think I'm gonna go to the pond I went to for ice fishing, the abandoned pond. I think the ice is melted, I believe. So we're gonna go over there and fly the drone and see what kind of scenery we're gonna catch. So stay tuned and join me. Spot. If you guys remember this area, close that off. We're gonna find out people are still rolling around. Look at that, people are biking. Beautiful day going on over here. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look if we're gonna catch any fishes. I brought my rod today. Oh yeah, we forgot to lock the car. Never know. So yeah, we're back to the abandoned ice fishing lake. If you guys haven't seen that video, make sure you go back and take a look so you guys see the difference in winter time and springtime, and then we're gonna come back summertime to see when all the leaves and everything is sprouted already, how that's gonna look. So we're gonna go ahead, maybe do some little fishing, get some drone footage going on, and enjoy the beautiful day while it lasts. Tomorrow it's gonna rain, 100% guarantee it's gonna rain apparently. So let's see what we can do today. Let's enjoy it. Stay tuned, folks. Put on these things. There goes the drone right here. Big up to Arslan from Print 3D Studios for hooking me up with these feet. Man, they do wonders. So the drone doesn't even touch the ground, you know. So if you guys are interested in anything 3D printed, check out Print 3D Studios. They'll hook you up. Bam. Good to go. I'm gonna try some fishing, guys. Hope you guys like the drone footages that's going on with this lake. So this was frozen like a couple days ago. Oh, look, an otter. Oh, there he goes. Nice. It's good that I didn't bite the hook that I have set over there. That's funny. All right, so we're gonna do some fishing and hopefully we'll catch something. I usually catch some fishes over here. I've caught oh my god, I've caught a catfish over here. I've caught some trout over here. So I don't know, we're gonna cast, and then if we do catch something, I'll show you guys. If not, I'll show you guys anyway. So stay tuned. So this is a closed pond. I've never seen anybody with any boat or any kayak or anything like that on here. So I think I'm gonna make a video of that. I'm gonna get my Seahawk, what is it? I think it's a Seahawk inflatable boat. Inflate it and put it on here, maybe go to the middle and cast in the middle and stuff, and see if there's anything bigger in the middle of the pond. But right now we're going to try to cast at the shore. Maybe we'll catch a sunfish. Fingers crossed. Sugar. Now we cast off. Big fish! No, I'm just kidding. Alright, so no luck on this side apparently. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the other side of the pond, which is gonna be across the road. And I'm gonna cast over there. That's where I usually get more luck. So let's go to the other side. Let's cross the road. And well, look, there's swans right there. Let's get a close up on these guys. Living the life. On the road again. I can't wait to get on the road again. So you need some real boots for these kind of trenches over here. Hopefully we don't slip in the water. Whoopa! Oh, we made it. Alright. Let's put the bag away. And we'll go to the other side, which is over there. Alright, always watch when crossing the road, because we don't want to be a dead possum in the middle of the road, you know what I'm saying? It's like they say there's turtles coming through. Is that turtle? Yeah. Oh man, alright, let's wait. Both sides are full. Like a hitchhiker. Ready to catch some fish, baby. Make money. Alright, we made it. No cars. No cars. Alright, hopefully we get lucky on this side. There's the pond. Big money, big money, big money. One day I'm going to take you guys up this way, and we're going to end up at the back over there. So, but that's another video for another day, so stay tuned for that. But hey, we made it to this pond. We made it. It's a couple days ago. Only maybe even, yeah, 2 days ago. Maybe not even. This was all ice. Global warming, baby. Crazy. Cattails. In the summertime over here is all full. For this one, all opened up and ready to go. You can make good insulation with this one. Maybe I'll show you guys how to do that when it's cold out there. You just pack it up in your jacket, in your sleeves and stuff, and it keeps you warm. Alright, we made it. I'm gonna cast and see. I have a good feeling. Brought my tripod. So complicated try to put this camera on these trees, and in a way it's gonna fall. I know that for sure. So I had no tripod today, so we'll make it happen. Nothing can stop us. No luck. Alright. I've cast a couple of times. Not even a bite. Holy. Fish are hibernating. But I guarantee you I'm gonna catch something, guys. Might not be today, might not be tomorrow. But one day, I will get this. So I'm thinking, I was here fishing. So I'm thinking I'm gonna go right there. And try from that side and just cast from the edge. I'm gonna go up this road. There's a house there, abandoned. But that's another video right there. But let's go check it out over there and maybe we'll get lucky. Leave my final casts. Look, you guys can still see the ice that's melting on that side. Alright, let's do this. The only good part about all this fishing trip and stuff like that, when spring has just sprung, is that there's no bugs. I don't need to spray myself with a gallon of bug repellent. Alright, we're almost there. There's the road. We're getting to this spooky house. I think there's someone maybe sleeping in there. The glass is broken and everything. Falling apart. We'll find out if some crazy person just runs up, try to attack me. I'll just throw this fishing rod at him. Oh, there's a garage door now. That garage door used to be not there. If you guys are interested in seeing what's in there, join me on my next video. We're gonna go check out this haunted house. Maybe we'll even spend the night there. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, so I just crossed paths with this tree right here. And I thought it was pretty cool to show you guys what's on it. So you guys ready for this? Look at all these cocoons. There's more here. There's more up there. Holy. They've taken over this tree. There must be a lot of butterflies around here, that's for sure. Hopefully we'll see some. Alright, we made it. Okay, this is the last chance, guys, for today. Sun's going away. It's starting to get a little windy. You can see the water. Here comes the wind. Alright, we're gonna cast a couple of casters, and yeah, fingers crossed we'll catch a bass. Cast on. Big money, big money. On bite. So I don't think I'm gonna catch anything today. We tried at least. We tried. Alright guys, so we tried casting on this side too. Unfortunately, no fish today. How sad. But it's alright. I think it's a little too early in the season. So yeah, I'm gonna call it a day. Sun's going down, it's getting a little chilly. So that's it. Thanks again for watching. If you guys are new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. If you like what you see and want to see more content like this, it's free. Thanks again for the support, and have a wonderful one, and we'll see you next time. Peace.